Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In the long run, we're going to be looking at multi-step equations and inequalities, but for now, let's start with simplifying algebraic expressions. Here we're asked to combine like terms. We're given 10x minus 6x, and really what we're trying to do with combining like terms, we're just trying to take an expression that might be a little bit complex and make it less complex. In order to combine like terms, you have to be able to identify the like terms. This first one's a little bit easy because you're given the terms 10x and 6x. Both variables are the same, therefore I have like terms. So I'm going to take the coefficients, 10 and 6, and I'm going to subtract. 10 minus 6 gives me 4. So let's write that down here. So I have 4. Now I have 4. X is left over because I took 10x and I subtracted 6x from it. So I have 4x left over. Now I can't simplify this further, so I'm going to move on. This next expression is a little bit more tricky. I have 3p plus 5 plus 8p. Notice this middle term doesn't have the variable p in it. Therefore, it's not a like term when compared to 3p and 8p. But what I can do here is I can make note of which terms are similar or like, and I'm going to use a highlighter. Now, if you don't have a highlighter, you can use a color pencil or a marker or something else. If you don't have highlighters or colors to help you mark which terms are alike, what you can do, I'm just going to take 3p and highlight in light blue here and move over to 8p. What you can do, rather than using colors, if you have a pencil, use shapes. Use circles to circle some like terms. Use squares to box up other like terms. And then you can use, just be creative, triangles. You could use squiggly lines, whatever you need to identify all of the like terms within your expression. So I have 3p highlighted in light blue, and now I want to highlight 8p. But make note of this, it's really important. When you're highlighting or circling, whatever you're doing or using to mark your terms that are alike, you make sure to mark the operation that's to the left of the term. In this case, 8p, the operation to the left of it is an addition symbol, so I'm going to highlight that addition symbol along with 8p. Now I'm going to take 3p and I'm going to add 8p to it. Alright, and in the middle I have 5, and it's not a like term when compared to the other two. So I'm going to use another color to mark that. So I have 5p here. Okay, so I'm going to take 3p and I'm going to add 8p. So 3 plus 8 will give me a value of 11. We'll put 11 down. So I have 11p. And I'm also going to bring down that 5. So let's add 5. Now I can't simplify this further. So let's move on to the next expression. I have 7s plus 2t plus 2s minus t. The first thing I want to do is identify my like terms. This time I'm going to start by highlighting 7s with pink, and I also see there's 2s over here. It's a like term. I'm going to use pink for that, and I'm going to highlight that operation, that addition symbol to the left of it. And now let's choose another color, and I'm going to use light blue to highlight the addition of 2t. I'm also going to highlight t over here, but notice the operation's a subtraction symbol, so I'm going to highlight that as well. All right. So 7 plus 2 will give me a value of 9. That's 7s plus 2s, so that's 9s. I'm going to change pen colors. So now I have 2t minus t. Well, how many t's are here? Well, there's a 1 and it's hiding. So I really have 2 minus 1, which will give me a value of 1. And that's a positive 1, so I'm going to write an addition symbol down. So 9s plus 1t, and all I really have to do is write t down and hide the 1. Now I can't combine these terms any further, so we can move on to another video.